shaft.
नहीं इसको
This is vibration weight.
And this vibration weight is attached with it. So when the
Attached
shaft
to the
will-
shaft.
attached to the shaft. So when the shaft will revolve, so it will move with like this. And when we will press the button, it will move very fast. So when we will keep it down.
Oh, what is happening? What do you think? This cell. What's happening? I mean, there is some.
Has its own battery.
So what is there inside the
It has
battery?
its own power.
What is there inside the battery or the cell?
ये तो नहीं पता मेरे को inside क्या है.
What is the purpose of the cell? What do you
Cell
think?
has its own power. It is sending electricity to the DC motor, and DC motor shaft is revolving. So
This vibration weight
vibration weight is moving through this shaft.
through this shaft. So it is attached to the shaft, and when the shaft
Yes.
is moving, then
It is moving with the help of the shaft.
okay, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. And what do you think is this button doing?
This button,
It is controlling the current. Yes or no?
Yes. Sir. If we will get
No,
this
I know.
button out,
I know. I know. If you just like any other electric switch, if you power it on, any electric device starts to work.
Yes.
And if you power it off, then it stops working.
Yes.
Right? So why do you think this happens?
It is the cell's power. The main in
Cell's power? I'm talking about the button.
this button.
See, you want me to explain it to you? Okay. So what happens is when you connect the batteries with the DC motor directly, okay, there is a circuit. It's a complete circuit, okay. And when you place a button, in the middle of the battery and the DC motor, okay, when you push it on once, it completes the circuit. And when you push it off, it breaks the circuit. So when it breaks the circuit, it breaks the flow of the current.
And the shaft
Stops moving.
So this will stop.
Correct.
vibrating.
So that is the purpose of the button. So that the same thing happens with any other electrical device at home. So when we push the power button off, what happens? The circuit breaks the flow of the current. And when the flow of the current breaks, the device stops to work. Okay. So Chinmay, how was your experience? Did you like it?
It was a very brilliant experience.
You learned something?
I started making it. I was thinking ये अच्छा नहीं बनेगा, ये बेकार बनेगा, मेरे को मजा नहीं आएगा. लेकिन but when it's made तभी मेरे को थोड़ा सा लगा नहीं यार ये अच्छा नहीं है, मेरे भाई का ज़्यादा अच्छा बन गया.
अच्छा. Are you happy with it now?
Yes.
Completely? Would you like to make more projects like this in future?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you.